Hey YouTube, I have a 1986 International 2300. The outside door latch would not work on it. I went to the Facebook page for Internationals, and I guess this is a real common problem. I spent days trying to figure this out. I took and put a video camera up in there. That didn't tell me anything. And then I finally figured it out just by somebody's comment on the Facebook page. He said that little piece of metal in there gets bent, and then it stops working. So the camera didn't show me any little pieces of metal. It was all linkage. You can't get nothing apart. You can't get your hands in there. So what you had to do is this. This is your window track. You got to unbolt this, put a wire on it, and pull it over here out of your way. You don't have to take any of these screws out. Before you pull that out of your way, there is a bolt right here at the top. Underneath the little black cover, you got to take that bolt out. Then you can move this out of the way, tie it up over here. That's going to allow you to get your hand in there. There are 4 bolts holding this latch on there. This one here is behind the mechanism. Luckily, mine wasn't on there. So it was fairly easy to take this off. So once I got it unbolted, it comes right off. This piece right here pushes on the piece in the door. The piece in the door is the piece that gets bent. So this is what you got to do. Since there wasn't a YouTube video out there, I decided to make my own. Let me see if I can get a light. So right in here, mosquitoes are really bad. Right in here is a lever that the door handle actuates. It pushes it down and releases the latch. So this is the lever that the guy said gets bent. So as I took my handle off, this lever was bent downward and over to the side over here. So get yourself an old screwdriver. I took my light away. And put it right underneath the vertical part. There's a metal tab up there at the top. You can't really see it. Do not pry on that. Simply put the screwdriver underneath this vertical piece and give it a tap with the hammer, and it'll bend it back upward. You want it at least... You want that tab, you'll see the tab on it at the top. You want that tab about 3/4 the way up on the slot. It's about where it should be. When you put this back together again, you've got to reach your hand inside the door, way up into there, and pull this lever downward. You've got to pull it downward in order to get the handle assembly back in there. This has to ride on top of that flat spot, the horizontal piece. So get in there, put your hand up in there, push it down, Put your handle back on it, and it'll work. Make sure you test it first before you completely bolt everything back together again. The way you test it, you push these up, push this one down, push this one up, you latch it, you put your handle back in there, and you pull it. Don't use a lot of force because you will bend it again. And this is what you got to do to fix it. I hope this video helps you. I hope it educates you. If you're going to put a video out on YouTube, we don't want to see something stupid, like how pretty your truck is. Put something that's going to educate somebody. Hope it helps. Until next time, talk to you later.